Welcome to Target Cubicle Coding Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Anaconda Navigator for learning Python. First, Python is a very high level interpreted language which helps us in creating different types of programs, including it helps in creating advanced GUIs and also perform backend development of a website. It's a very useful language which is a modern language and also used for data science and machine learning. The software required is Anaconda Navigator. It is a complete software which will help in learning Python from zero to advanced. So in this video, Anaconda Navigator. So let's download the Anaconda Navigator. So here you will give Anaconda documentation, and here you will get the individual edition of Anaconda. I will give the link in the description so you can check it out. Just go to products, individual edition, and then click on download, and your Anaconda will be downloaded. Choose your version according to your need. There are two versions, 64-bit, as you can see. There are two versions, 64-bit graphical installer and 32-bit graphical installer. According to your wish, you can choose any of them. So please choose it widely. If you don't know how to know your architecture, so just go to properties, this PC properties. Here, if you have 86 32-bit operating system, then download 32-bit, or if as I have 64-bit operating system, so I am downloading the 64-bit version. You will see my download is occurring a little bit fast because I have a nice internet connection. In your case it may be slow, and it's a huge file of 477 MB, so you need to keep that in mind. So as you can see, it has been downloaded, so I am going to open it. So just click on run. So I close this all and I will only run. So you can see this is the Anaconda 64-bit setup screen. Now click on I agree. All users, it will require admin privileges, so give it the admin privileges, and the file where it will be means so the where the installation file will be stored. Next, C drive. So I am going to add Anaconda in system path environment variable. So the installation will proceed, and according to it you will get the setting up the package cache, and it will take some time depending on the performance. So this has been completed, and click on next, and I will deselect this and I will finish. Now just search for Anaconda Navigator, and for the first time this will show. As you can see, Anaconda Navigator is starting now. So you will see different types of prompts and different types of programs are present here. So Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, the things that we will use, we will do it in Jupyter Notebook. So just launch it. So now you can write your Python program, and let me print hello world, and within it just press shift enter to run the cell. So this will print hello world. This is a very interactive notebook which you can use even for data visualization and machine learning. This notebook is the ultimate notebook, or this you can say it is the ultimate notebook for whole Python course. So this is our official site, and here there are different courses which you can follow. Just register for these courses, book them. Just so this is target cubicle coding academy. You submit this Google form, and our executive will reach to you, and if you like, you may able to enjoy the whole course. Thank you for seeing this video. Please like, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.